Happy Tuesday, everyone. As you may know, my name is Victoria Cannon. I'm the Managing Director of Full Stop Law. Since lockdown, we've all been working from home, or just before lockdown actually, and we've all engaged in a lot of tech, and it's worked well for us, including things like Zoom meetings, team meetings, just to ensure that our clients are fully serviced and there's no interruption in our services. So we've all got together and we've thought how we can push this out, not only now during lockdown, but also when lockdown is lifted a little and after, because some people will still be nervous to come into the office. So what we've done is we've started a new service. The new service is called Virtual Full Stop Law. So what does that mean? Well, firstly, it means that we understand that you may not wish to see us face to face. So what we'll say is, well, you can see us screen to screen. What does that mean for you? Okay, well, what that means is that from now on, we'll be able to offer a lot of our services via Zoom, Skype, Teams, and also on the telephone if you can't download the apps or if you don't have the technology in order to do so. So instead of coming into the office and having to see us face to face to get legal advice, we're going to be offering our appointments using these methods, which we think will be much more useful and allow us to extend our services so everybody has access to legal advice. So, in order to get in touch with us, we've also extended how you can do that, and by different means. So in future at Full Stop Law, you'll be able to make appointments through Facebook, WhatsApp, and we'll give you the number in due course, Messenger, Instagram, and also by telephone and email, which are more traditional means. So if you want to make an appointment, don't delay, get onto these apps and do so. If you want to phone us, the number is 01443 238 411. So why have we done this? Well, if you don't want to, you never have to set foot in the office. We want you and our staff, particularly now, to stay safe. That said, when the lockdown is lifted and things return to normal, we'll continue to offer our traditional service, as we appreciate that a lot of people would prefer that. But we hope that this gives you another option. So for our clients who may be shielding or self-isolating, we can ensure that they still have access to legal advice, which they should be entitled to. So you're not going to be restricted simply because you can't come into the office. Most of our services will still continue with this virtual Full Stop Law. We'll continue to offer divorce, assistance with divorce, assistance with children matters. We'll be able to write wills, we'll be able to deal with separation, and we'll also still continue to deal with domestic abuse cases in partnership with some of our agencies that we deal with regularly. We can still obtain domestic abuse orders pretty quickly, and we've also of late passed out a new number, which is a legal advice helpline. The number's at the bottom there, but it's also on our Facebook. But to go back to the top, we'll still offer these services, even though these will be started virtually. If we go to court at the moment, you may be aware that the court are running mostly remote hearings by telephone. So this will fit in nicely, really. So as I say, if you don't want to come into the office, you can still access legal advice. So in addition to providing these services, despite the fact that it's virtual, legal aid is still available if you're eligible, and we're also offering complimentary meetings using these apps. To recap, Zoom, Teams, Skype, and also by telephone for complimentary meetings. So get in touch with us. If you have a query and you need to find out the answer, don't sit there, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help. And as I say, initially we run complimentary meetings, so please get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening. Bye.